In this slide, we are going to introduce practical issues related to the integral control action, which is known as integral windup. So it becomes a disadvantage of integral control action, and a lot of work has been done to solve this issue, and it is becoming one of the work related to research in PID. So recall that the integral mode causes the controller output to change as long as the error does not equal to 0. So when a sustained error occurs, the integral term becomes quite large, and the controller output eventually saturates because the practical controller output, let's say the controller output in current, it has a maximum of 20 milliamp, or the voltage value can be 5 volt, but the integral term will still calculate and add all the error terms over time, and the controller output will become saturated. Further build up in integral term while the controller is saturated is referred to as reset wind up or integral wind up.